Hello everybody, Happy New Year to you all from everybody at Greenwood Bonsai Studio. I'm just away for a few days and I've brought some little junipers away with me to give a bit of a trim and tidy up to. A few of you had these off the website in the past and I've brought a dozen away to keep myself occupied. Fairly basic toolkit look that I've just ran away with, don't need much. Just got some lap balsam wound sealant, some blade cleaner, a little concave pruner, big concave pruner, and a pair of RS scissors. These are about 15, 16-year-old junipers that are grown for us, and we've been supplying them for a number of years now. And we deliberately let them get a little bit shaggy like this towards the end of the year. So if you want to buy one and have a go and sort of fashion some style and shape into it yourself, then it's available for you to do so. So that's what we tend to do. But this time of year now, because we've had these for a few months and we have quite a lot of them, every so often I trim a batch full of them. So I thought I'd trim a batch to start off the new year. And I've got about a dozen of these, and what we'll end up doing, I'm going to trim them all and I'm going to number them all like 1 to 12, and these will be on our website the 5th or 6th of January, and you'll spot them because they'll have a number on the pot in the juniper category. So if you're looking to, perhaps if you see one of these that you like and you want to add it to your collection, if you live in the UK, if you have a look, 5th or 6th of Jan, they'll be on the website available for you to purchase. So these, like I say, we don't do much to them in the year, we just nip the tips back. So now, once a year, because we'll have a new stock arriving in a few months' time, I'm just going to get in there, tidy these up a little bit. So this one, there's a branch here on the inside of that curve that we don't need. And there's a very low branch down here, really heavy. And I'm not going to gin it, but I'm going to take it off low. That gets rid of all this growth here. And then we've got another bit of growth there. So that's helping to tidy up that base. And this sort of styling that I do to these, it's kind of like a half styling. It's like I'm trying to help out the prospective buyer who might still want to do a little bit of in-depth wiring and work themselves, but I also want to give you a head start by cutting off some of the obvious stuff that I know from experience that you're not going to need. So that if you buy one of these, you could be a relative beginner or intermediate bonsai stylist, and you could buy one of these just to start off with, and you'll find it easier to do, because stuff that's really definitely not needed I've already taken off, and I've left you with the stuff that is a bit more sensible and easier to use. So just right, the sun's getting quite bright out there, and I'm trying to do it so you can see what I'm doing. And the good thing with that is you can see what I'm doing, but I can't really see what I'm doing because the sun's in my face. And if I put my lights on, it all goes a bit flickery on the camera. So we're trying to do it like this. So just trying to take off stuff that's a little bit too heavy. Some of this long growth that's been left on all season, nipping it back a little bit here and here, back into here, this sort of section. And then getting in here, we've got a branch coming out here, and it's probably a usable branch, but I'm trimming off any thin, small twigs that are growing down from it, just to get a bit more definition in there. The next stage of these really would be to, once I've done this sort of mapping out pruning, would be for the next person to for you to decide on the refinement a little bit more pruning, and then progression of these will be wiring, will be the next job to be done. Wire the branches that you want to keep to get the shape that you can get with them. And January now, you can do that work sort of in the next few weeks. Do that sort of work January, February, and then come March, you'll in a good time of year to get these into bonsai, get into a bonsai pot and train it further for the rest of this year. So this is a good time to be doing this sort of work. And it's a good transition then from this stage for you to possibly do a second stage of pruning, wiring, and the third stage of repotting. So this branch here, that's not really any good on the inside of that curve. Let's get rid of them all together. And this one here is just an ugly branch. So once we've thinned it out, we can make a few decisions for you, like that. This one's hanging down a bit too much. A little bit of foliage there, this little twig. This little bit here. And here, some of this foliage can come off. That neatens up that area. And then there's that one there at the back. That's probably usable, either this one or this one. So I'll leave those both on because that gives you some sort of choice as to which you might use. Tidy up that base a little bit. Some of these little bits, fluffy bits growing off the trunk. This one here is a little bit too long. This section back in here. A little bit too much fluffiness just here. See where that's coming from. That little shoot just there, I think, was that. A little bit too much length here, maybe. Here. A little bit off here. This section. That's all gone for a bit of a tidy up. This bit here is going down a bit too much. Snip that off. There we go. Let's just take it outside so you can see it in the light. So just with a little bit of pruning just to enhance the trunk and the branches. So now I'm going to do, got another 11 of these to do. We're going to call this one number 1 and we'll number the others. So keep your eye, watch the video. If you fancy adding one of these to your collection, then they'll be available in just a few days' time. And now I can go back in the cabin and finish off all the others. I'll see you shortly. Thank you. There we go, all done. Just before the sun goes down, I've worked my way through all 12 of these little junipers. Little sunset in the background. Well, they'll be on the website. 5th or 6th of Jan. Keep your eyes peeled if you want one. They all look like quite similar before I started. And as you work your way through, the individuality of each one's appeared. Nice little bit of movement in the trunks. Good element of branching for you to do the next stage on. So wish you all a very happy new year. To all of you, all of our customers, subscribers, visitors, from everybody here at Greenwood Bonsai. Take care.